Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house for sale in Westgate Hills, Montego Bay. The house is grilled and also has balcony with views of the community. The land area of this house is approximately 5,594 square feet. The unit is ideal for a family or investment purposes. Centrally located to all of Montego Bay's finest and the necessary amenities. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 330,000 or Jamaican $50.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.